Okay, we're going to do a quick little solder to extend our wires. So I just got some wires that I can match up best I can. So black to black, blue to blue, and then I don't have gray, so I got orange. So we're just going to strip a little length of wire. The soldering iron is plugged in and heating up. That's the first thing that you should do, warm it up. Warm it up, Chris. And then strip back the appropriate length of insulation. I like to twist it. There's one. There's two. I like to do what I call a crisscross applesauce. Gonna cross them in the middle, thereabouts, and just gonna wind that together. This is the third hand. Basically, it holds the wire for you, and you want to kind of be away from where you're doing the soldering because that will wick away the heat. There you go. See if the iron is hot enough. Oh crap, I don't even have the right tip on here. I got a pointy tip, which is kind of for soldering circuit boards and that, but we'll see. It's the wrong tip. Go from the iron, make a hot puddle, and there you go. Tickety-boo. So even with the wrong tip on the soldering iron, we can still make a solid chunk of solder. So I'll do all three, and then we'll put our heat shrink on, shrink that down with the heat gun, and then we'll now connect into the harness on the car. Tickety-boo.